Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zen device to a PlayStation 4 console. First, make sure your Zen device has the most current firmware installed. You'll also need to download and install the Zen Studio software on your personal computer. For the physical connections, have both a micro USB cable and a mini USB cable ready. These items are essential for a smooth setup process, ensuring your device is fully prepared for use with your console. Now, let's get your Zen device configured. Begin by connecting the Zen to your computer using the micro USB cable. Once connected, open the Zen Studio software. Here, you can easily select and load your desired game packs or custom scripts. After customizing your settings, remember to save them to one of the Zen's 8 available memory slots. This step ensures your personalized configurations are ready to go when you connect to your PlayStation 4. With your Zen configured, it's time to connect everything to your PlayStation 4. First, use the mini USB cable to link the Zen device to one of your console's USB ports. Next, take your PlayStation 4 controller and plug it into the A1 USB port on the Zen. Once connected, check the Zen's OLED screen to confirm that your chosen game pack is actively displayed. This indicates a successful connection and readiness for gameplay. Finally, let's test your setup and cover some troubleshooting. Launch a game on your PlayStation 4 and verify that all your controller inputs are working correctly with the Zen. If you encounter any issues, a common fix is to try different USB cables or alternative USB ports on both the Zen and your console. For more in-depth problems, always refer to the official Zen user manual, which provides comprehensive solutions and advanced troubleshooting guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.